made you taller, huh?
A little bit.
No?
I feel I'm taller now.
Origins. Hey, outside of producing dope meets, dope events, nobody can ever say that they never gave back. All right? Everybody's having fun, everybody's enjoying themselves, and everybody's leaving with something that they can keep. Outside the memories, beanies, shirts, lanyards, keychains, all that. Origins coming through with a clutch. Cheers. Gabby, you want a drink? Exactly. Good answer. Say no to alcohol, say no to drugs, and say no to anything that doesn't do your body good, okay? It's not healthy.
I'm going to not include Daniel asking a young girl to have a drink of Jameson. Yeah.
I'm still recording all this.
The power of an editor.
Yeah, you can make us or break us.
Yeah, I can.
There you go, Mindy.
What? You want me to hop on board?
Some long wood. Why are you following it? Why'd you just like
Pathetic.
She's like, dude, I am not that easy. Oh! Yeah.
I'll start salivating and shit.
Gabby, this is your mom.
I know.
Hey, you know what? Hey, look, honest question, honest answer, because we real over here, all right? Hey, Gabby, you want to come live with me?
No. Oh!
I didn't even like tell you, I was like, it's going to be fun.
Disneyland.
You can't have no attitude.
That's exactly why.
Hey, look, if you need help, blink twice.
You guys never met?
No, we've never met.
Oh, this is the first time.
I've looked at your face like for a long time.
Editor. Hey, who helps edit? Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I know.
Hey, I don't know this guy. He's like, I've been looking at your face for a long time. Like, I've never.
Weird. I remember.
Yeah. I was trying to find out the drone.
Oh, right there.
No way. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just bought a new one. I almost lost it to this.
He bought another one and brought it here. He flew his drone up, and then the police came, and their drone was right next to his.
Yeah, they have,
so he brought
like
it in.
police drones now.
How long did it take you guys to find a drone that day, though?
Like
Yeah. Like I said, we were looking for it well over an hour before I even started recording.
Yeah.
It was a mission.
Yeah, no, yeah. It sucked with that with somebody else.
So this is my boy right here, and I got some Jameson with me.
I'm good.
Pretty much, this is what I'm telling you guys. Everybody on YouTube, all you guys that watch, everybody on Instagram, if he doesn't take a sip, he hates black people.
I love my. What are you doing?
Hey, you know, I'll drink to that. Hey, you even said it the right way. What the fuck? Yeah.
He knows.
Oh my God.
Hey, cheers to my nigga.
I don't even drink, bro.
Hey, that was good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's got it. You make a
just
face,
Jameson,
you
dog.
make a face, you got to take another one. Oh!
We got one, yeah.
There we go.
See? Not that bad.
But the
it feel like it made you taller, huh? No?
I feel a little taller now.
You're like, I'm on top of the world. We're just waiting for some chaos to occur. We got a little Gabby right here that's still looking for a new mom. I got you. I got you. No, you called me fat.
Oh, you did?
No.
No, I didn't.
No. You didn't call. You said I break concrete.
Oh. You do? Okay,
That's worse than being fat.
Oh. Was that lying though?
Have you ever seen me do it?
Yeah.
When?
It's over there. Oh.
They're gonna do a battle?
I had her back the whole episode. You guys been watching. And all of a sudden she just hates me because like I eat well.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go.
Y'all gotta back up more. Back it up, back it up, back it up.
The other guy, he didn't even have flames coming out of it.
Everybody was like,
That poor little boy. That poor little boy.
I hope somebody cares about him.
Oh my
Somebody,
God.
somewhere.
I hope he has a mom.
Type shit.
Sad little baby.
He said that was some type shit.
I'm gonna go rep this shit out now.
Oh, you're not? Are you serious? Is he joking or is he serious?
I think he's serious.
All right. He kind of had a serious look.
I think he's doing it. I don't think he's playing.
Does this do this?
I haven't heard it like that. That's crazy.
Hey, if he blows his motor right now. You want to go there? Let's go get some food. You know what I mean?
What? Yeah.
I know what time it is. Hello, it's calling.
It's
time.
what time is it?
Your phone is dead.
I have a watch. It's
The battery's dead too.
No, it's good. It's 9:30. This is actually the watch that my job gave me at my 5-year. They fired me last week.
What did they fire you for?
It's not important.
Damn. He said, this is a watch that my job gave me, and they just fired me. You're wearing a memorial watch. That's
It's a nice watch, man.
yeah.
Yeah. It's got the little King's logo on it. They have an Outback store around here.
Wait, what?
Outback store. Marinated pork.
Yeah, no, I know. We know what it is. Yeah, but that was random. This is what just happened. Here's the camera. Ready? Andy was like, "La lingua," huh?
No, lingua sucks. It feels like you're like chewing on your own tongue.
For those of you guys watching, Andy thinks that mayonnaise is spicy.
Dude, you can't handle spice.
No, hey, Andy, hey, he's a hot sauce connoisseur, real tough. Yeah, like. Look at Andy, man. It's such a wholesome guy. Oh, with the hands behind the back. That's dude, that's a walk of innocence. Look at him. That's a
He's gonna go for the baked potato.
Baked potato? I'm English, not Irish. Oh no, hot dogs.
Are you hot dogs?
Hot dogs.
You want that long, big meat?
Yeah, bro, I love that.
Al Pastor, there's like fruits and veggies. And he was like, hot dogs.
You show me a big, like, long beef hot dog, man. Like, I'm in that. I'm in that.
Oh my god. I'll show you one, buddy.
Right over here.
No, hey, she only likes the hot dogs that are burnt.
Right on. Yeah. That's a shame. That's a shame.
What is it?
All right, so we're still down here. We got Gabby. I told her, hey, buy whatever you don't recognize, right? Because there's a lot of like candy and snacks and sweets from Mexico. Buy whatever you don't recognize
I feel like
and buy whatever you do. She started out grabbing so much random stuff. Hey, Gabby, so this is your second basket?
Yeah.
You're still going?
This is just the stuff I want.
So the first basket was random.
Yeah, and then
this
some
was,
other stuff that from the other stuff is in here.
I will keep. Remember, you got all the way down there.
No, she been through it, bro.
No.
She went through the whole aisle.
Well, she said the first go around was what she didn't recognize. Now this is what she wants.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, look at her, dude. She's so indecisive.
You like sour candy? I do. So just grab it.
Okay, I guess you're shopping for the both of you guys now.
So just get it, and then I'll get it out of you. Yeah, no, this one.
Andy,
Yo.
if you want to grab something, put it in the basket.
No, that's not like
No, well, I'm sorry. Grab and put it in the basket, dude. I see you looking.
This shit is so funny.
Don't get stuck in the middle. Have you been all the way down there yet? Wait, hold on. Are you gonna eat that? Okay, so that's for you.
Okay, no, it's for her. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, like, do you want it?
I do. I do. Yeah, I do.
All right, y'all. Big Daniel, Import Life Media. We signing out, man. You guys saw all kind of craziness, dope cars. You saw Mindy, who smokes rocks.
You said you saw what?
Exactly. Okay. And then we saw Gabby, Hungry Hippo. Yeah. And then we saw Andy over here. Hey, why does everybody get so uncomfortable on camera and I do this all day?
It's like your voice tired.
Anyway, hey, if you can, please like and subscribe. If you haven't done so yet, please follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media. And let me know what you guys like, what you didn't like, any funny comments. No matter what you say, no matter what you leave, I'll always respond back. All right? Here's this. Hey, please, please, please be good to yourself, be good to other people, and always, most importantly, please get those cars built. Come on, y'all. Import Life Media represent us, you, and everybody else. I'll holla at y'all. Peace.